Hi everyone, Zoe here with Telycam. Today we'll walk you through how to use the auto tracking and framing features on the Telycam Vision Plus 4K box camera. Well, the setup process is very similar to what you might be familiar with on PTZ cameras. Log into the WebUI and navigate to the auto tracking page and select your desired tracking mode. Let's begin with the framing mode. As long as the subject, it could be one person or several people, are within the panoramic view, the Vision Plus 4K can electronically track and frame them in real time. The tracking mode works in a very similar way. Compared to PTZ cameras, there are two key points to keep in mind if you want to preview or record close-up footage using the Vision Plus 4K. First, in the WebUI, the default preview displays the main screen, which shows the full panoramic image. So if you'd like to preview the close-up results of the auto tracking or framing, you'll need to switch to the subscreen view in the bottom right corner of the homepage. And by default, these close-up views are output via the subscreen. But if you want to output close-ups via HDMI and USB, this can be customized. And this is the second point I'd like to mention. Go to the camera settings, video settings, and switch to the HDMI USB preview mode from full view to featured. Once set, the camera will save this configuration and both the main and subscreens will output the close-up framing. So overall, the Telycam Vision Plus 4K box camera gives you two flexible output options. One, output full view via HDMI or USB and close-ups via IP/NDI. Two, output close-up views through all three outputs simultaneously. That's it for today's walkthrough. If you found this video helpful, be sure to follow us for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.